In South Texas, the chaos erupts in seconds. Sirens wail, a vehicle veers onto train tracks, and migrants begin leaping from the moving car.
He's still moving on the train tracks, going on the train tracks, going on train tracks.
The driver, just a teenager, presses on, off-road, deeper into danger. But this is more than a pursuit. It's part of a growing trend. Young lives pulled into organized smuggling operations at the U.S. border. In Webb County on October 23, 2024, a Texas DPS Trooper attempted a traffic stop on a suspicious vehicle. But as the trooper made a U-turn to intercept, the driver hit the gas and took off.
3 boy 4 door Laredo, show me 1080. It's gonna be on Compton. Just check on the railroad tracks. Bailout on Compton. He's still moving on the train tracks. He just failed. Going on the train tracks. Going on train tracks. He's going southbound. Southbound. People's work for safety. Stop moving.
The trooper sprints past scattered migrants giving up. The focus is on the driver, the one recruited to take the risk.
Where is he? Where are you, bro? Over here, come over here. Over here, ven para acá. Vente para acá, güey. Vente para acá. Vente para acá, güey. Right now. Turn around, let's go.
The driver, who is an undocumented immigrant, is facing charges of evading arrest and smuggling individuals. Troopers also apprehended 5 undocumented immigrants who had exited the vehicle and were subsequently referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. This isn't a one-off. Troopers across South Texas are seeing more teens recruited as drivers, promised quick cash, told to evade, abandon, and disappear. But as this footage shows, the risks are real and immediate, and these brief pursuits are part of a much deeper issue unfolding at the border.